Magandang buhay sa lahat, Enrique Hill balik Pinas. Matapos magbakasyon ng ilang linggo sa Spain, nakimit agad si Enrique Hill kay Sir Ranvel Rufino at iba pang kasosyo nito sa kanyang business. Sipag ng King of the Hill. Kakabalik ng Pinas, meeting agad ang pinagkaabalahan. Team Ticket to Me, Marketing and Comms, meeting with Enrique Hill. Ganito talaga kasipag ang Lizken. Trabaho agad after ng bakasyon. Throwback photos, iba't ibang ganap. Ating panoorin.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town,